In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore records from the recycle bin in Salesforce. Whether you've accidentally deleted something important or are just trying to get a better handle on managing your Salesforce data, recovering deleted records is a valuable skill to have. So let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Salesforce account. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and functionalities that Salesforce has to offer, including managing your deleted records. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to click on the App Launcher. You can find the App Launcher icon, which is represented by a grid or dots, typically in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This tool is like the dashboard of an airplane, allowing you to switch between different apps and features seamlessly. Once the app launcher is open, you'll need to use the search bar to find the recycle bin. Simply type recycle bin into the search bar. As you type, Salesforce will present you with options related to your query. Click on the recycle bin option from the drop-down list that appears. This action will lead you to the recycle bin page, where you can view a list of records that have been recently deleted from your Salesforce system. On the recycle bin page, your next task is to locate the specific record you're looking to restore. Given that there can be a large volume of data in the recycle bin, utilizing the search filters is a handy way to streamline this process. Filters can help narrow down the list based on criteria, such as date deleted, record type, or other relevant attributes. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct record, as this minimizes any room for error. After you've pinpointed the record you want to bring back, you'll need to select the checkbox located next to it. This is an important step, as checking the box ensures that Salesforce recognizes which record or records you intend to recover. If there are multiple records you wish to restore, don't worry, you can select multiple checkboxes at once. Finally, with your record or records selected, look for the Restore button. It's typically found at the top or bottom of the list. Click this button to begin the restoration process. Once clicked, Salesforce will work its magic, reinstating the selected records back to their original location, complete with all their data intact. Congratulations! You've successfully restored records from the recycle bin in Salesforce. This process not only helps to retrieve any mistakenly deleted data, but also emphasizes the importance of knowing your way around Salesforce's features. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide if you find yourself needing to restore records again in the future.